Hey, I'm so excited because I'm about to show you my daughter Aria actually doing the Piano Professor app that I built. As a teacher, I built this app because I found the other apps weren't doing the thing that I wanted to do as personally as a teacher and do the things. Now, when you as a teacher have these other apps and they're great in some ways, you don't have someone you could go to and be like, hey, what's up, JD? Like, I think that this should do this. I think it would be very helpful for my app. And I'm like, hey, that's an amazing idea. I'm going to take your thing combined with my years of experience of teaching and what I have there, combine that and do the thing that you said. As a founding member to Piano Professor app, you get a chance to do that at a price that's less than a first lesson with me. And that's amazing for a perpetual license, unlimited. So going into that, those of you who are not part of my community, join if you like this video, and make sure that it's free to join. You don't have to have the app, but I have a place there where you learn how to play piano. That's what we're doing. I'm going to show you my daughter who is 6, and it's going to be so amazing. She fails. She's okay with failing. There's a safe space. She just continues on because she got instant feedback. A lot of kids, sometimes when they fail, they don't know why it is. They're like, I just give up. I don't know what I did wrong. She knew what she did wrong, so she was able to come back from that failure and fix it right away. How awesome is that? When a student practices at home or a child, they don't know what they did. They're just practicing mistakes. Like, I don't know if I got it right. I'm confused now. I hate this. I want to quit. But that's not happening now. This should be happening in conjunction with your piano teacher. And it's, again, like the price is so affordable right now that it's in beta. Now it still works. It's ready to go. I say beta because you coming in now have a chance to be able to make this something you would learn from. And it's just only get better and better and better. As I'm using it with other students for the first time full year, I'm just going to make it crazy good for teachers and private studio people and other things. So anyway, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to show you this, and I'm also going to show you that 1.5 was it's a great lesson, but it didn't give you the feedback that I wanted, and I changed it. And so I'm going to show you at the end of this video, watching my daughter do her thing, I'm going to show you at the end of this video what I changed to it and what I'm able to do when something's not working and what you can do when you give feedback off of doing the app, which is so cool. So let's take a look at Aria. Let's see what she does with it, with minor coaching thing from me where I just teach her how to use it, and then she starts to become self-run, and then we have celebrations together. So cool. All right, so let me show you that in private. Before we go, also, I want to show you the private studio people. Look, this is where we are. It shows Aria, and if I click on her, and this is what we completed today in the video. You could see what a student does and when. So anyway, here it goes. We're going to read directions. Play 3 low sounds anywhere on the left side. Where's the left? 1, 2, 3. Now stop. Now play 3 high note sounds anywhere on the right side of the piano. And this is the right side. So anything here on the right. Anywhere on the right. Is that the right side? Yes. Okay, 3. Now, what grade did you get?
100.
100%. I'm going to go to next lesson.
Yay.
Okay, this says lesson 1.2. Find the black key groups.
There I go.
Today I can find groups of black 2 and black 3. Okay, so start lesson. Okay.
Where's black 2?
Find 2 black keys side by side and press them.
Here.
Okay, go ahead. Good. Yeah. Now, what I want you to do is go find another 2 black keys somewhere else.
Here.
Oh, yay! Now it says something else.
I did and then it said
Yeah, because now it says 3 black keys side by side.
Oh.
Good. You found them right there. Now find another 3 black keys and press them.
Here.
There we go. Oh, now what score did you get? Oh, accuracy is 57 because you messed up. Let's replay again and get 100%. Find 2 black keys side by side. Now find another 2 black keys side by side. Awesome. Now 3.
Now 3. Here? Like this?
You could always explore. I'm not going to give you answers. Oh, nice. Now try to find another 3 black keys. Try them again. All 3 of them.
I did. And what else?
Press all 3 at the same time.
Down.
There we go.
I got 100 again.
All right. Next lesson. Sit up straight. Now you're going to go ahead and find where's that note. Try to guess. Try it out. Yay! You found it by yourself. Okay, go ahead. Oh wait, what happened? What was different?
Sorry.
It's okay. What grade did you get? Oh, 67. It's a D. Not really good.
6, 7.
Ooh, 6, 7. Okay, go ahead. Try again. Figure out what the notes are. Press any key to start. Okay, ready? Wait for it. Good, and that's great. 100%. Next lesson.
Oh, and I got like 1302.
Okay, now this lesson is finding C. Lesson. What does it say? Press a group of 2 black keys together.
Hey, why do you do this?
Press a group of 2 black
Why do
keys
you do
together.
this?
It says start from a group of 2 black keys. You did it. Now press the C below. It says 2 black keys, then the white key 1 step left. You did it. Find another one. Uh-oh, you're looking for what? 2 black keys. You've already found those. Find another one. How many black keys do you see there?
Oh, 3.
Okay. Yeah, there you go. Now go get lower.
Did that see?
Oh, you already did 2 black keys. Now press the left one.
Oh.
Left the note to the left of the 2 black keys.
3.
2 black keys. Now play the note to the left. Oh, wait. Hold on. Oh, okay. I see what it did there. I need to take notes.
Good.
Let's just replay that. Find 2 black keys. Anywhere. Now to the left is C. 2 black notes to the left is C. Now go somewhere else. 2 black keys and to the left. And then to the left. There you go, 100%. Okay, next lesson. I'll take notes for that. I'm going to fix that one. Start lesson. Find a group of 3 black keys together. Then the white key 1 step left. 1 step left.
Like
The white
this,
key. There
this.
you go. Try it out. Correct. Now go find another one. And then to the left. There it goes. 100%.
100.
Look for the 2 black notes. Go down 1 to C. 2 black notes. Go down to the C. You pressed the 2 black notes. You didn't press the C.
You said 2 black notes.
Where do you find the C? What is the rule? You go to the 2 black notes and go to the left of the C. Okay, and the F is to the 3 black notes.
Is it this?
You will only find out by doing it yourself. Great. Now you got a 20%, so not very good. So we're going to try it again.
Don't say that.
Okay. Well, if it's not very good, it's not very good. It's okay. To do something well, you have to learn how to do it first. What note are you looking for? Not that one. Where's that note? Go find it. Now, how did you find that note? The C, because you walked up to it But look, you find the 2 black keys, and to the left is C. So this is assignment 1.7. Okay, looks like you got a 15%. Let's try again. Press any key to start.
Near.
Yay! Good job.
Look.
100%, 130 of a score. All right, this is the lesson 1-8, the music alphabet. Press any piano to start. Now we're going to find A. Now where do you think A is? Let's see. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and explore where A is.
A.
Find it. Where do you think it is? There it is. You have to see. Sorry, I shouldn't say anything. Go ahead.
There, G.
Yeah. It's a B. What comes after A in the alphabet?
A.
B. Keep on going.
Help.
What happens if you're wrong? You always do it again, right? So the rule is to fail.
I don't see G. This.
Well, it's in relationship to the 3 black keys. You know where it is. So line it up. See? Try to find that G. That one was too high. So you have to go to the lower G. Try it out. Then down 1. And down 1. And down again. Cool. Do it again. Do that last one again. Good. Let's redo it. Not too bad. Not too bad. For the first time. Always the first time you're going to mess up. It's always good. You just keep on doing it until you get it right. Okay, ready? Do the low A. Do the low A. Do the low A. Okay, rock it up. Yay! 100%. Yay! Right? Okay, so I showed you all that, and there's 2 things that I'm now going to show you at the end of this. One, I'm going to show you that I can keep track of Aria's scores, and I've added at a glance, like, how well are people doing in your classes, and that'll get better as we go along. I'll click on Aria, and then here it is. That is what Aria completed. It'll show you the, and this could now, since I've watched my daughter, I'm going to also go ahead and show you that you could keep track of assignments like Do you want to assign them something every day, private teachers? Do you want to go ahead and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera? So we're adding these things as we're going live, right? So now I'm also going to show you 1.5. Since that happened an hour ago, since then, I've changed 1.5 for the better. And that's the cool thing is when you get it into beta early, you get to make a decision with me. Now check out what I've just changed from that 1.5 to show you when I'm observant. I don't just like, hey, even though this is ready to go and you could use it, getting in early with the price that it is now, cheaper than one lesson. Once it gets to a certain cap, you want to get in now because when it gets to a certain cap, I'm going to then increase the price to what it would be like for almost 2 lessons for me. So take a look. I'm going to press these 2. Yay! On the right side now, you see that there's data. And this is good, now the rest of the group, good, now that blah, blah, blah. It's going to show you now that there's a C that you're looking for. So that's a C. Oh, okay. Well, watch what happens when I do not press the same C. If I press the C over here instead, you see on the right side that little oops. They know they did wrong because there's something flashed up. Oops, that is another C. Play the C just left of the 2 black keys you pressed. Oh, okay, bam. Now watch if I don't do it again. Times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5. It says you made this mistake this many times. Oh, wait, here, got it. That's C. And it shows 3 at a time so you can see that. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and press the same 2 black keys. That my daughter pressed the same 2, and it says, great, you already used those 2 keys, find another group of 2. Like, no, start from a group of 2. I'm like, oh, what I did this. You already used those 2 black keys. Go to another one. Oh, okay, got it. Now you know. And now I say, oh, 22% accuracy. Got it. Okay. Now, if you click on this little paper thing here, you can see the running log of what I said. And I'm going to change that so you can actually see the words because it looks like the words are light now. And so I'm going to take a screenshot. Look, literally, as I'm testing this out, bam, I get to actually change it. All right, and I'll let that run. So the notes on that. I'm showing you this and I'm not changing it because I want you to know this is in what's called beta. You are now part of those of you who get the Piano Professor app, get to program it the way you know you would learn under my lens of teaching for years and years and years, again, at a price that's less than 1 lesson with me. You have an unlimited perpetual license as a founder. And that's what you get to have when you do that. So go. Those of you who haven't, go get it now. Anyway, you can export or record here. You see that you have that option again, still like you see how they've done. And then there's the oops. You can have like every bit of feedback that they got down there. And that will be scrollable and that'll be fixed by the time that this video is implemented out. You can see like there's scrollable. So you as a teacher or you as a private lesson person could actually go in there and be like, I want you to send me a screenshot. Like if you have a place where the students can be like a Google Classroom or somewhere else. Again, we don't have students be able to log into this specific thing because we protect their identity. We want to make sure that there's no data scraped from them to make the app better. That's not what we're doing. I'm making it better by looking at you and taking your feedback as parents, teachers, and learners. Right? So anyway, that is what changed. And so again, welcome to that. And one more thing, private studio people, you can have your list of people here. That's all of your list that you have here. Assigning them things are now easier since the last time, and I'll have that in the update. Thanks for stopping by.